Welcome everybody, welcome back to our mukbang on the farm. And today we're gonna make some chicken, local style chicken. As you see, the fire is ready and the food is almost ready.
And we are going to roast the chili today in the hot ash.
In a hot ash. And Miss Bella is ready. So stick around. It's gonna be fun.
When you roast the chili this way in the hot ash, you'll get a different aroma on your in your cooking, either in your stew or in your meat. It tastes so much better. Sunflower oil, since we're on the farm again. We always use sunflower oil anyway. It's going to be a very chaotic cooking again, guys. It's really windy. Oh, and we forgot our microphone, so the sound might not be so good. Garlic here, onion, tomato, did I add the chicken already? It was not recording, sorry. Now together with that, we're gonna add our roughly grinded roasted chilies. Oh my, this smoke is killing me. Every time we cook, it's very windy. I don't know why. It's going to be a spicy chicken. Look at that beautiful color. Okay, let's season the chicken with some salt. Add water. And we will cook this until the chicken is tender. The chicken has been cooking for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna add one potato. Okay, chicken is almost cooked. I'm gonna add our exotic herbs. And my husband is not here because he's busy. Sorry. It's gonna be a bit shaky. And some more garlic. Let's cook for 10 more minutes. Okay guys, all done. Oh Lord. We love our spring onion. We're gonna finish this off with spring onion. This is from the farm. So that's it. Our chicken is done. Let's eat. Okay guys, welcome back to another mukbang on the farm.
Guerrilla.
As you can see that we've been struggling with the cooking as well as with the recording. I heard something in the back. So it's kind of cold now. We've been adjusting the videos and everything is getting cold. So we're gonna eat right away. If you didn't watch the cooking part, we try to cook chicken today like a village style with lots of chilies and exotic herbs. And then here is greens from the farm. Everything that's growing here. And this one is lettuce from the store and also arugula from the garden. So we're gonna start eating, yeah? Because we have to catch the sunset. We have some more work to do.
Yeah.
Let's eat, baby.
Just do this, baby. Thank you.
Wait, don't touch that. I'm gonna.
Where is this from?
Here, everything from here.
Oh
baby.
wait. The taste.
Taste of the fresh onion, yeah? ให้กินดูป่ะเชฟชาคุณบ่ยาม밤 되고 만에 샤 자르디 버저버 컵도 잡아네 이행보다 버저버 컵도 잡아 마루슈 잡아 그리라 좀 그래 버저버도 맞아다니 또 기니고 Sorry, that was my sister calling. Okay, I'm gonna take this out today because every time you struggle.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
One more here. It's just press ball. There you go, baby.
Bon.
Где? Нема.
Bon, no?
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Bon.
Any more? No,
I
yeah?
don't know. I'm like a little child.
There's no more, baby.
Okay.
Let me try. Let me check.
It's fine. Oh, here, no, nothing.
Do you want to try this one?
Oh, yeah. Give me.
Just-
I'll take it from there.
Okay, we have to eat, guys. I
Guys.
almost say baby to them, baby,
Okay.
because it's getting cold. The food's gonna get cold really fast.
Bon appetit, guys.
Bon appetit, everyone.
Baby, the taste. It's always different taste when it's cooked on a fire in nature. The chicken tastes like it's.
Farm greens.
Oh, yeah. Baby,
Hawaii. Good flavor.
everything tastes better here.
Yeah,
Chicken tastes like it's frozen.
it does, honey. Maybe it's the air. I think.
I don't know what it is, but
The sound will be different, everybody. Sorry about that. We forgot our mic again.
you forgot the mic last time. Well, gorilla. Really tastes good, baby.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. I have to take this call. Sorry, guys.
Family affair.
Yeah. Oh my god, stop blowing. That's cold.
The taste, baby.
就是他们嘢。呢啲面啊，炸寧巴炸不得，炸不得唔得，不得啦你。
Vegetables, yeah.
Because I don't like to waste.
Food.
Eat the greens, baby.
I'm eating everything, but we expected somebody.
Not me.
Bloody.
I'm gonna eat one potato. It's okay for me to eat one potato today.
One is fine, baby. And it's not even one; it's quarter. I know it's cold, baby, but we should not rush. We should enjoy this meal.
Oh, okay.
Are you cold? I can bring you a jacket
No, it's okay. I'm fine. I can take it.
or a blanket just around your waist.
It's okay, baby. Thank you.
Well, I don't know what to eat first, baby.
Me too. All these greens are from the farm, except the lettuce in here.
It's so small. Oh my lord, it's very tasty, baby.
It is.
What is this? Unbelievable. Where is little Bella? Hi.
Loitering around.
Oh. Hi. Hi. Who's that? Who's that?
혹시 연창쌤 하그래도 작시. 아, 작시도 loitering. Yeah.
As you guys see, she has a haircut, a new one, with the pink ears.
Yeah.
There, she's ready.
We can't bring our other pup because he can't travel.
He will take his car. His quills all the way.
He will cry all the way here.
I think he has motion sickness.
Cry all the way home, and it's too much for him. She chắc chỉ đi qua, xem mà mình put the free the video trả rồi. That was a joke.
Yeah? Sorry, didn't get it.
No.
That was a joke.
I don't want him to take it seriously.
Your turn.
I was trying to make a joke about this rice. Even if someone give you this in Manipur for free, no one will eat it. That's what I said.
Probably.
Will be no more meat for you?
No, I don't eat. Thank you.
But you finished it. Oh,
Very tasty.
mustard greens?
A little bit there. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome. They're so sweet, right, honey?
Some amazing stuff is here. And guys, don't you worry about Bella. She was eating all the time of the cooking, so don't worry. And if you really insist, okay, I'll give her, baby.
Why?
She's a little pups.
I give you that.
A little pups. So you give me another one. I'll give it to her again. Wah.
Why? Eat.
Get some
He's
more.
giving her because he don't want to eat that.
I don't like really. Opa, wait. Here, take
Just
it.
eat, baby. Come on, we have to finish this mukbang.
Okay. Okay. Okay, here, baby. There.
They don't like to watch long mukbang, and we cannot do a long one. We're cold.
Well, I want to enjoy.
Work to do. Bác cháu tôi ăn cái gì đi. Rồi đấy. Hai anh đi làm món ăn đi.
Wow, it's up spicy, huh? Good job.
Làm bác sĩ cho bác phạc ra từ lên dậy. Làm bác sĩ cho tấm miệng.
Bella, say hi.
I'm
You
doing
have to
that.
go
I'm
down.
going mama and spicy.
Say bye. You have to go down. Okay. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Babes, delicious. Yeah. I cannot chew enough.
Huh?
I cannot chew enough.
You like the sauce, I think, today.
I like it. Now my fingers are getting cold.
Mine too. Mine too, a long time ago.
Yeah, you tell them now.
There's so much today. After this, we have to work. Unfortunately, there's nothing that my husband can eat or likes to eat anymore.
But it's okay, don't worry about me. I'm enjoying veggies. And I still have a little bit of meat.
Yeah. Okay, I'm done.
Close the show, baby.
I'm not gonna waste this, but my hands, fingers are numb. Yam ingre, 자비 야데. Signaya bangje. Mung suturia. Oh. Mushun malum narga. Kadang zinraga kasi je. May. Jisada. Mid. Anong mazangka. Numdur kaji mang mam ne. Zinraga da sik shok sik thai. Bandong quên cái này, tầng ngó gì. Suốt lại giờ nó rồi. Tầng đến nhá. We have so many things to do, guys. The sun is like, okay, 1 feet away.
1 feet away. That's 1 feet, yeah?
How do you call 1 feet, baby?
Like 1 feet.
Like this? Isn't this 1 feet?
No.
I don't know what is this.
Well,
This much away, this and half away. So we're gonna put our seeds in it. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'm so sorry if this one was like a chaotic mukbang, but we really enjoy it. This recipe is beautiful. So you can see my husband really like chicken if I cook this way, but he really liked it today, I think, because the flavor is beautiful. When you roast chilies like that, any kind of chilies, in the ashes, hot ash, and then dust off the ash, and then roughly grind it, and then cook with either beef, pork, or chicken. It's beautiful. So yeah, that was beautiful. Maybe because of the fire flavor from the fire too. Thanks so much. Can open my Asian eyes with the sun. I hope you can see me. Anyway.
make it, baby. Do it.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody.
Thank you, guys.
If you like this mukbang, please give us a thumbs up. And also we have a vlog channel which we are also vlogging at the same time. All the links are down below.
You can
So
talk
please-
a little bit louder, baby. They cannot
Please-
hear.
Yeah, the neighbors are there. So please check it out, everybody. Thanks so much for always supporting us, for all the love and support, and we will see you in our next mukbang again.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye. Wow.